Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable the new modern global media controls in the Google Chrome web browser. So in newer updates or builds of Google Chrome at the time of this recording, there are ways that you can actually adjust the flyout and place the global media controls anywhere on your screen. So it should be a pretty straightforward process on how to do that, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the Chrome web browser if it's not already open. In the address bar, you want to search for Chrome and then :// flags and hit enter. And now in the flags field, search for global media controls. And where it says global media controls cast start/stop, click on the drop down here, select enabled if you want to turn it on, and then your changes will take effect the next time you relaunch Chrome. So go ahead and select relaunch, and that's all you have to do. And if you wanted to disable it or set it back to default, just click on the drop down, select default, and then you may have to relaunch Chrome once again. And that's pretty much it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.